Oh, you guys caught me. Yes, dandruff, dry scalp. A lot of America deals with this. That's actually because one of the biggest culprits is actually rock in the water. You can see here's a rock. It attaches itself to the water droplet. 85% of America has hard water. So what happens with that rock? The rock actually clogs the pores of your skin. This is why so many of us want to use lotions. It binds to the hair follicle, making it dry and brittle. This is why we use lotions. Something most of us don't know is that actually when it interacts with soap, it actually gets that soap scum. So when you're in the shower and you see that soap scum on the wall, that's actually because your soap combined with the rock, and as a result, you were getting soap scum, which sort of agitates our skin. So if you'd like to get that out of your water, contact us anytime at angelwater.com. We look forward to serving you.